Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna share with you a way to make money online. You can earn $5 till $100 per click. It's available worldwide, easy to start and free. You can start earning money online after watching this video. At the end of this video I'm gonna share with you some tips that can help you to make some extra money. Please keep watching this video. If you just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Breaks. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe right now. There are videos here to help you to make money online, work from home, how to master your life, how to master your business, and there is a course how to become a millionaire in 21 steps. There are videos here to help you like this. Please subscribe right now. I'm gonna share with you a way to make money online, and you can earn $5 till $100 per click, and you can do this and make this amount of money every day, every time that you go to this website and start making money online. And it's free, available worldwide, and you can start making money online today after watching this video. Let's start it. The website is Big Token. This is a website, as you see here, claim your data, the platform to own, verify and sell your data. This is a website that gets some of your information, some of your data about a topic, about a product, about your daily routine things, and then your information, your data will be bought by some big companies like Microsoft, like Google, like Yahoo, like other companies like this, Microsoft, and your information is so nice. And don't worry about that now, my information, what is my information, my personal information? No, it's not your personal information. This is, for example, where do you usually shop? Which place, which restaurant do you usually go? What food do you usually order? Some questions like this, not your personal information or some personal data about your personal life or something like this. No, it's not like this at all. This is just some routine daily things that you do every day, and they ask you about this information. It is, this information, your data, will help some other companies, big companies, and they can create some products, some softwares, some apps to help you to have a better life. People like you. So this information and data is so important to them, and that's why they're gonna pay for this. That earn rewards when you sign up for Big and share your data. Decide which pieces of your personal data are for sale and who can buy them. That even you can decide about this, that which pieces of your personal data, for example, where do you shop, where do you usually go for eating out or something like this. You can say that, for example, this information, they can buy this information, not about this one or that one. I don't like to share with companies. And also verify your data and know exactly who's purchasing your data. Exactly, you will know that who's gonna purchase your data, and this is something nice. You see here, Big is a comprehensive solution to current challenges in the consumer data ecosystem. As you see, about Big. Big Token is a consumer data management and distribution system. So as you see, this is a system that this system helps big companies, and this website they get some data, some information from your daily routine lives, and then big companies gonna buy your data. Big companies like Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, and something like this. And they're gonna pay for that, and you can earn money with your data. And it's not your personal information, your email address or your names or something like this. No, at all, it's not like this. And this is just something that I already told you. For example, where do you shop, which restaurant do you go, what food do you usually buy, and which supermarkets, which shopping center do you usually go, something like this. Exactly. There is an app here that you can download, the app of this company. We click on this one, we come here, get the big app, the platform to own, manage and earn from your data. As you see, there are some screenshots from this app. You can download this app. It's available for App Store and Google Play. And how it works: sign up for a free account, share your data and earn points. Make sure to download the mobile app from App Store or Google Play. Earn points by completing actions such as answering surveys, checking into locations, connecting your social accounts, and more. Manage your digital data. Decide which pieces of data you want to share on the marketplace and who can buy access to it. As I already told you, you can decide about this exactly, that which pieces of your data, your information you are ready to share on the marketplace in this platform, and other companies can buy your data. You can decide about this. Redeem your points for rewards such as cash, gift cards, charity donations, and more. There are some options, and you can decide about that. But for sign up for a free account, you need something. Actually, for phone number, I think just they can accept Canada, UK, America, and Australia. So if you live in another country, you need to have a phone number from these countries. And don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to share with you some websites that you can, and some apps that you can create an account there and get your number, your American number, your UK number, and these countries. Don't worry about the phone number, and it's not important where do you live. I mean, it's available worldwide, but just it needs these phone numbers. Then this is something for this website. It's like this, and we click on press. We come here. People are talking about big. As you see, there are some companies here, websites here that they talk about big token, and as you see, nice. Actually, companies are here, some articles are here, and you can read them. So if you want to earn money, you can start making money online today after watching this video. And this is so easy. They need your data. For example, do you have children? Did you graduate high school, university? How did you feel about cooking? Do you cook? Can you cook? Can you ride a bicycle? And do you know another language? Do you know a foreign language? And something really like this. Really like this. And it's not your personal information or personal life. This is something that you can share your data, this kind of data, and you can start making money online but with sharing your data, and that's great. That's really great. And you can start earning money today after watching this video just by this app. And it's available for iPhone and also Android. You can start making money online. And also as I already told you, for sign up for a free account, you need a phone number that belongs to America, Canada, Australia, UK. So right now I'm going to share with you some apps and websites that you can get your American number. The website is TLOS. TLOS is a website that you can start having American number the next generation mobile phone service. Free calling, calls to anyone and Toulouse are completely free. Free texting, international calling, and here we click looking for a US phone number, and as you see, you can start it. There are some countries here, but we need United States. It's better. Phone numbers for multiple countries available. Toulouse provides international phone numbers for many countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Spain, Netherlands, Sweden, Belgium, and others. As you see, also Russia. So you see here, what can you do with the number, and something like this. Phone number will help keep your personal digits private. So this is a website that also you can get your American US phone number, and it's completely free, and you can have a American number today with this website. And also there is another website, the second line or 2ND line, as a second phone line to your smartphone. You should download the app, and then you can create an account and get your number, your phone number. How it works: the second line uses your data or Wi-Fi connection to provide your phone with an additional line. Just download the app, pick a phone number, and immediately access unlimited calling and texting from an additional line on your phone. As you see, that's so great. And your own local number, unlimited talk and text in USA and Canada, text and call on your phone and tablet. Affordable international rates, separate work and personal numbers, extra privacy for a connected world. So you should click here. We come here, the second phone number. As you see, there are some screenshots here, and free phone number, unlimited texting and calling, caller ID, know who's calling before you pick up, and voice mail transcription, picture messaging, and call form. You see, it's so easy to have a phone number, American phone number, and then you can use this number, American number, that you get from this website, the second line app, and also Toulouse if you want. You then come here and register in this website, sign up for a free account, and use the phone number here and create account. And that's all. After this, you can start making money online with this website, and it's easy to do. And also there is a referral link here. If you create, after creating an account here, you can get a referral link, and also you can invite other people. You can invite your friends, your family to use this app, and to earn more money by inviting and referring people to this app and registering and start earning points, and then you can change the points to dollars and cash and make money. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.